Welcome to the Quizzers. Are you ready for the toughest decisions of your life? Then let's play Would You Rather Hardest Choices Ever. If you're new here, subscribe to our channel for more games just like this. Let's start. Would you rather only eat sweet food or only eat salty food? Would you rather be a firefighter or a bodyguard? Would you rather have no one show up at your wedding or your funeral? Would you rather be on a boat during a storm or on a plane during a storm? Would you prefer to walk on hot coals or a tightrope? Would you rather go skydiving or go bungee jumping? Would you rather only hear people speaking backwards or see people moving in slow motion? Would you choose to go to college in this car or on this bike? Would you rather have 30 minutes of conversation with Jesus or 30 minutes of conversation with the dead? Would you rather become a hero without any powers or become a villain but with superpowers? Would you rather live your whole life in the Sahara or Antarctica? Would you rather become friends with an alien or a ghost? Would you rather have a spider as a pet or a cobra as a pet? Would you rather feel extreme fear every time you're alone or extreme embarrassment in a crowd? Would you rather never celebrate your birthday or never celebrate your anniversary? Would you rather master all languages or be the best at all sports? Would you rather have a private concert with your favorite band or a private microphone? Would you rather live in a treehouse in the jungle or live in a cabin in the mountains? Would you rather always feel like you're falling or like you're spinning in circles? Would you rather walk on broken glass for a mile or walk barefoot on boiling sand for a mile? Would you rather work cleaning up toxic waste or work as a mortician's assistant? Would you rather have a dream house or a dream car? Would you rather be a gnome or a knight? Would you rather be gigantic or be tiny? Would you rather have a basketball court or a tennis court? Would you rather have a visible booger or visible dandruff? Would you rather be able to breathe fire like a dragon or shoot webs like Spider-Man? Would you rather have Flash's speed or Hulk's strength? Would you rather live in a big city or live far away from everything? Would you rather turn into a vampire or turn into a werewolf? Would you rather live in a world made of candy or a world made of toys? Would you rather be stuck on a sinking ship alone or on a deserted island with no supplies? Would you rather have no control over your emotions or no control over your actions? Would you rather jump without a parachute or swim with crocodiles? Would you rather live in an igloo or live here? Visual shown. Would you rather choose to see what heaven looks like or what hell looks like? Would you rather have a video game room or a private cinema? Would you rather remember everything you see or remember everything you hear? Would you rather always talk by singing or always express yourself by miming? Would you rather be chased by clowns or by zombies? Would you rather control your dreams or control your nightmares? Would you rather lose religious faith or lose faith in your partner? Would you rather never go to school again or never get sick again? Would you rather lose the person you love the most or have your family completely forget who you are? Would you rather spend the weekend fishing or horse riding? Would you rather be able to change your past or change your future? Would you rather explore a cave or a forest? Thanks for watching. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.